Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply for unemployment in New Jersey. So we're currently here at the official site of the state of New Jersey. And here you can see two ways on how you can apply. So first, you can apply online or another option is to apply by phone. To apply online, click on the Learn More link and here you can see steps on how to apply online. First is, of course, you have to get your information ready, and it is convenient for you to create an account beforehand to make your online application process more convenient and easier. Then, next is start using their online tools. So you can just follow this link. So here you can just click on file a new unemployment insurance claim and here, all you have to do is sign in using your email and password. Then just follow all the on screen prompts and answer questions as accurate as possible. Another way is to apply by phone. So click on this link. So, of course, in applying by phone, you also have to get your information ready. Then, next is click on this link under Call a Reemployment Call Center. Here you can see the hotlines that you can contact or reach out for them to better assist you with your application. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!